Did you know the journey of a pomegranate to a bottle of premium juice is much more intricate than you think? The journey isn't over yet, and the juice will soon be on its way to stores near you.
The journey begins on the farms, where pomegranates are grown in ideal conditions for the highest quality fruit.
Farmers carefully handpick the ripe fruits, ensuring only the best are harvested.
Once harvested, the pomegranates are sorted on site to eliminate any overripe or damaged fruit.
The pomegranates are then packed into large containers for transport to the factory.
The pomegranates begin their journey from farm to factory, ensuring they are fresh upon arrival.
After their journey, the pomegranates arrive at the factory, where the transformation process begins. Unloading is done carefully to avoid any bruising or damage to the delicate fruits.
Fresh, ripe pomegranates arrive from local farms, ready to undergo their transformation.
A high-pressure water spray removes any remaining dirt and chemicals from the fruit's surface.
Next, the pomegranates are gently moved onto the washing conveyor for a thorough cleaning. The first step is cleaning, ensuring every pomegranate is free from dirt and pesticides.
Next, the pomegranates are sorted by size and quality to ensure only the best make it to the juicing stage.
Now, the pomegranates are ready for seed extraction, where the real magic happens.
A final inspection is done manually by workers to ensure the highest quality fruits are selected.
After cleaning, the pomegranates are sorted based on size, color, and ripeness.
Once sorted, the pomegranates are carefully placed in baskets for the next stage, extraction.
This factory is committed to sustainability, utilizing green energy sources like solar panels.
After sorted, the pomegranates are peeled, leaving only the precious seeds behind.
Each fruit is carefully inspected for quality before entering the production line.
In this step, the pomegranates are sliced open to reveal the precious seeds inside.
The arils are then inspected for any impurities before being moved to the juicing station.
Fresh juice starts flowing as the arils are pressed under controlled pressure. Now, the arils are gently crushed using a hydraulic press to extract the juice.
The seeds, also known as arils, are carefully extracted for maximum juice yield.
The factory also uses a sustainable water recycling system, ensuring minimal environmental impact.
Enjoy the refreshing, nutritious goodness of pomegranate juice in every sip.
The juice goes through fine filters to remove any pulp and impurities.
And there it is, the final product, ready for your table.
The future of juice production is exciting, with new flavors and innovations on the horizon.
And with sustainability in mind, new eco-friendly packaging options are being explored.
The juice is then pasteurized to eliminate bacteria and extend its shelf life.
Robotic arms are used for precision sorting, handling the fruit with the utmost care. Next, the arils are gently crushed to release the juice within.
The seeds, or arils, are then separated from the peel and pulp.
This factory is committed to reducing its carbon footprint by harnessing renewable energy, like solar power.
Finally, the bottles move down the conveyor, ready for packaging. Once filled, each bottle is sealed with a cap to preserve freshness. After capping, the bottles are labeled, ready for branding and distribution.
Recycled water is then returned to the washing line, reducing the need for fresh water.
Water used in the washing process is recycled, ensuring minimal waste and environmental impact.
The factory is also committed to sustainability through eco-friendly packaging, using materials sourced from renewable resources.
Even the boxes that hold the finished product are made from recycled material, further reducing waste.
Now, let's take a look at where the magic ends up. On supermarket shelves, ready for consumers.
The juice makes its way into the shopping cart, ready for checkout.
Consumers make their choice, drawn by the vibrant color and fresh taste of this premium juice. And now, your bottle of premium pomegranate juice is ready to be enjoyed anywhere.
Each bottle is placed carefully, with the brand's logo and quality promise visible to customers. From the factory to the checkout, the pomegranate juice is now in the hands of the consumer.
Cartons are loaded into refrigerated trucks, ensuring the juice stays fresh during transport.
Innovation doesn't stop. The company is constantly working to bring new flavors and variations to market.
Here, scientists are blending pomegranate juice with exotic fruits to create exciting new combinations. Each new flavor undergoes taste tests to ensure it meets the company's high standards.
Once it reaches international ports, the juice is distributed to warehouses and local retailers.
The juice is then shipped worldwide, making its way across oceans to reach international markets.
This premium pomegranate juice is distributed globally, reaching consumers in many countries.
The new flavor is now ready to be bottled, just like the original juice, with the same care and precision.
Whether it's for a healthy breakfast or a midday refreshment, the juice is perfect for every occasion.
This premium juice is also a favorite in luxury hotels and fine dining restaurants.
Looking ahead, the company continues to explore new trends in the juice industry, from healthier formulations to innovative packaging.
Sustainability will remain a core focus, with new methods to further reduce waste and carbon emissions.
The brand's commitment to eco-friendly practices extends to the packaging of every product.
After every meticulous process, the juice is ready to begin its journey to you. From farm to bottle, every step of the process reflects the passion and quality that goes into every drop.